Yeah, good morning. It's Jim from jagfx.com. It is Friday, the 7th of November 2025. Just looking at the daily charts, Forex pairs. I'm trading using the high probability and divergence trading methods from my books. I got 4 new trade setups this morning and a bit of trade management, so I'll just go through it quickly. First pair is the Euro Aussie. Got a new buy signal this morning. So you can see the buy here. There's the QMP filter dot, the blue and red dots on the chart. There's a blue dot there. There's the buy, taken at 178.118 as per the notes there. So sequence 2, don't worry about sequence 1. That's an old trade that was stopped out. I just leave that on there for my weekly YouTube video. So we've got the market's very sideways, but we've got this big support level here. So hopefully at least we'll get up to this previous high. MACD Platinum, which is just a zero lag MACD. Generally, I'm looking to buy when it's below the zero level, which is here, and sell when it's above the zero level. So in this case, it's a buy. The dot's already there. There's a QMP filter dot. Take the buy, support level there. So it's a Euro Aussie, new buy. Pound Aussie, there's a new buy signal this morning also. Now, obviously, with the Euro Aussie than the Pound Aussie, there's a bit of correlation there, so just be careful or be aware of that. This buy signal, it looks like the trend is starting to head down by looking at the 3 moving averages, which is just a 240 linear weighted moving average, 100 EMA and a 50 EMA. So they're heading down, but I do like the fact there's a big support level here, big round number. It's a 2.0000 level. So support there. MACD Platinum's a long way below the zero level, which is good. And also I've still got this partial sell on from the 24th of October. It's got a stop in place. You can read my notes there. I actually moved that stop down this morning also. So that stop was moved down to 204.077 as per the notes there. And you can see the buys in at 202.652. So it's a partial hedge there. So I like this setup, especially this big round number there. So that's the Pound Aussie, Pound CAD. So now correlation-wise is another pound pair. So a buy trade this morning. There's the blue QMP filter dot there. Big support level on price. I like that. MACD Platinum's a long way below the zero level. So I took the buy there. No problems at all. It's all a bit sideways still, but that's not a bad setup. So that's a Pound CAD. Also we've got New Zealand USD. No new trades here, but a bit of trade management this morning. I'm still in this sell trade from the 19th of September back here. I've just moved the stop down this morning to 0.57837, locking in some profit there, which is good. I did take a couple of buys in here, got out of them with a small profit on the way up. But then I took another sell here on the 31st of October. Now, this morning, I've closed half of that trade and put the stop at the same place as the S1 stop. So the S1 and the S3 have got the same stop at 57837, which is here, just above the 50 EMA. So by me closing half on this trade this morning and the stop there, even though the stop's on the wrong side of the entry level, overall that'll be a small profit if I get stopped out. If it shoots up today or something. And the reason I closed and moved my stop down is the MACD Platinum's now through the zero level. So I'm getting ready for potential buy. And in the meantime, I'm drawing these green trend lines in for potential regular divergence, bullish divergence. So this sell here was taken on hidden bearish divergence, which I love. If you watch any of my other videos, you'll know I go on about hidden divergence all the time. It works really well on Forex. So that's it for the Pound New Zealand, just a bit of trade management. And finally, the Pound USD, new buy signal this morning. Now, ignore all the other stuff on my charts. I've made a mess of this pair from a long time ago. I made some mistakes and I'm paying the price still. So I'm sort of stuck in no man's land with sell trades down here and buy trades up there. But today, there's just a new buy setup. So there's a new buy, so that's T6. I just marked it as T6. I'm on a dollar cost averaging scenario here. So it's T6, it's a buy. So if you're going to take this buy, just put a stop below this green dashed line. Now that green dashed line is a big round number. So price has found support at the 1.3000 level. That's a good thing. The MACD pattern is also a long way below the zero level, and it's been below the zero level for a while. You can see here's these buys here, and they're still below the zero level. I do have another watch list where I strictly do dollar cost averaging, and I'm in the same 3 trades on the pound, and I think my break even is just in here somewhere, so it's not too bad at all. And what I'll be doing is aiming for up to that zero level on the MACD Platinum. So that's a new buy this morning. There's obviously a blue QMP filter dot there. You can just see beyond the line, there's a dot there. So that's it, boys and girls, for the daily charts for me today. So just be aware of the overall correlation. 3 of those trades involve the pound and 2 of them involve the Aussie. So just be careful. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. Thanks for watching. Cheers.